set and go. So you climb in, stabilize everything. You don't have a kettlebell, just down go. Other side. Stabilize your core, pull your abs in. Ready? The best exercise for strong back and strong core. Keep practicing.